All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice with the Giannis canvas, the Aaron Jones helmet, the Yelich jersey, and I forgot what the other thing was. The Trout All-Star Ball. So there we go. All right. So we'll check the time, July 17th at 7:21 p.m. Going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 17th at 7:21 p.m. There is the list of our 23 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Let me mark Evan paid here. There we go. We need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Al. Spot 4 is your winner. So Al, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 17th, 7:22 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.